Your committee chairperson, Pulelani Magwanishe, relayed the decision of the committee.
By a majority view, we will recommend to the National Assembly that Judge John Motata be removed from office. The committee, by majority decision, will recommend to the National Assembly that Judge President John Hlophe be removed from office.
Before getting to this point, the committee sought the advice of Parliament's legal services. This followed certain issues raised by Motata around jurisdiction and double jeopardy. The committee wanted to ensure it would avoid a court case based on a procedural point.
I was at a limited role, but I'm very happy that limited role, we exhausted it to ensure that there's procedural fairness.
All parties except the economic freedom fighters believe this process is fair.
It's a very wrong approach which we are taking as this committee, where we just refer the matter to the National Assembly to recommend for the removal of Judge Motata. And the person has shown even remorse by paying that money, and he's a retired judge. Where is Ubuntu? I mean, to just deal with the Africans like this.
Other parties took exception to the statement.
I don't think it would be fair or accurate to at this stage assert that this committee acting on behalf of the National Assembly has not properly dealt with the matter procedurally.
When moving to Justice Hlophe, the committee considered a letter he had sent. One of his concerns about this process is that there is a parallel court process running and that this appeal should first be concluded.
We respectfully disagree. We have actually consulted with senior counsel on this, and they agree with us that there is a legitimate decision for the committee. It's been referred to the House. It's been properly processed.
Again, while all other parties stood in agreement with the decision to recommend the removal of Hlophe, the EFF disagreed with this, saying all legal matters should first be ventilated in court. Parliament's legal services have considered the written submissions received from both judges and have been thoroughly considered. It agrees the committee can push ahead with its recommendation. Abra Babia, SABC News, Parliament.